a lot of the time.
Yeah.
Because we're preventing the heat in affecting a lot their sexual reproductive system.
Inaharibu the generation.
Yes, so unaweza kuanza kuwa na mashida in future. So at least tunamwachana ka free.
So anakuwa tu free, jua inaingia.
Jua inaingia, anapata fresh air na hizo. Na pia sasa hii vitamin C, especially jua ya morning, inasaidia.
Kwanza hii sasa ndio perfect.
Hii na ile ya jioni. Iko perfect, inamsaidia na hiyo vitamin.
And he looks like he's really enjoying.
Na enjoy.
Oh, baby.
And enjoy.
Oh, this is amazing. Kamzungu ketu. Thank you so much, man. You transition. Honestly, you really come through. Oh my goodness. Thank you
here
so
to
much.
lighten your work.
Thank you.
And help you with your journey in motherhood.
Yes, at least na feel sina hiyo burden. You know ile yenye una feel like you're a new mom and you're stressed. I don't feel that. Like I feel I have support.